Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and share a Google Drive folder. Remember that this process can be done in a computer or a phone. First of all, we're going to go to Google Drive and here we're going to click on Go to Drive. Here a new window is going to open and we're going to click on Folders. Then we're going to click on New on the upper left bar and we're going to click on New Folder. Now we have to put the name of our folder. In my case, my name is going to be example and then click on continue. Now we're going to have our folder and we're going to double click on it. Creating folders in Google Drive is good because we can have better organization of our documents. Now we're going to click on new on the upper left bar and we're going to click on file upload. This is going to open a new window. Here I'm going to upload this picture and it might take a few seconds. Now we have it ready. Now we're going to click on the three dots in the picture or the document and go to share. You have two options, share or copy link. Here is going to ask us for the email that we want to send the file. I'm going to use another of my emails and here you have to put if you want the person to be a viewer or editor. I'm going to choose editor because I wanted to have the option of being able to write and do things in my file. Also, we can write a message and then we're going to click on send. Now here we are in my Gmail and this is how it's going to appear. You will click in open and it will open a new window with access to the file. Now if you click in the three dots of your file and go to share, this window is going to show you the people that has access to your file. This is a good way to work as a team, storage space and have access from multiple devices. And as you can see in this video, it's pretty simple to be used. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!